प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं ऑफ अटमोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस, क्योंकि इन पेपरों से हमें आइडिया लगता है कि किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आ रहे हैं और कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जहां से कितने क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं। तो अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को फुल प्रूफ करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना है बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने कलीग्स के साथ, सभी के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी कर सके अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को 100%। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एमएससी फर्स्ट ईयर का, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं 8th या 2nd सेमेस्टर का केमिस्ट्री का पेपर 1 ग्रुप थ्योरी एंड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है, तो इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, टू फोल्ड एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन आर एब्सेंट इन, आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ऑप्शन नंबर सी बोथ ए एंड बी। Question number 2, both vertical mirror planes 3 sigma nu and horizontal planes of symmetry exist in, answer is option number A, BF3. Question number 3, the group of 24 operation designated by the point group O, the rotation symmetry operations of an octahedron are, answer is option number D, all. Question number 4, cubic point groups are, answer is option number D, all. Question number 5, the staggered form of dibenzene chromium belongs to group, answer is option number B, D65. Question number 6, the order of the groups C40, D40 and S40 are respectively, answer is option number A, 40, 80 and 40. Question number 7, which of the following molecules are optically active, answer is option number D, all. Question number 8, which of the molecule has no dipole moment, answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 9, for which of the following groups are the CN, NCN, N-1 operations in the same class, answer is option number B, CN, nu and DN. Question number 10, axial point groups are, answer is option number A, CN, CN nu, CNH and SN. Question number 11, what is the point group of water, answer is option number A, C2 nu. Question number 12, what is the name given to the plane in which all the atoms are reflected across the plane which perpendicular to its principal axis and the molecule having unchanged in configuration, answer is option number C, horizontal reflection plane. Question number 13, how many types of symmetry elements are there, answer is option number B, 5. Question number 14, which of the following symmetry element is donated by SN, answer is option number A, improper rotation. Question number 15, which of the following is donated by sigma in symmetry elements, answer is option number A, mirror planes. Question number 16, phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 is a trigonal bipyramidal molecule. To what point group does it belong, answer is option number B, D3H. Question number 17, a molecule cannot be polar if, answer is option number A, it has a center of inversion. Question number 18, which of the following are the inverted position vectors of a point, answer is option number B, minus x, minus y, minus z. Question number 19, what is the point group of ammonia molecule, answer is option number B, C3 nu, C3V. Question number 20, the character table for S6 can be constructed as a product of group, answer is option number C, C3 into C1. Question number 21, in the group state where all vibrational quantum numbers are 0, the 0 point vibration change the rotational constant by, answer is option number A, minus sigma, directly proportional to. Question number 22, a triatomic molecule like OC has 4 modes of vibration. The degenerate modes are, answer is option number C, 2. Question number 23, the intensity of rotational spectral lines is determined by, answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 24, the simplest molecule with low potential barrier to inversion is, answer is option number D, NH3. Question number 25, the inversion frequency rapidly decreases as the barrier height is, answer is option number B, increased. Question number 26, among HCl, NO, CO, Cl2, C2H4, the microwave active species are, answer is option number A, HCl, NO and CO. That is nitrous oxide and carbon monoxide. Question number 27, the rotational spectrum of the rigid diatomic rotor consists of equally spaced lines with spacing equal to, answer is option number C, 2B. Question number 28, when Ix is greater than Iy equals to Iz, then the molecule is, answer is option number C, prolate. Question number 29, in case of asymmetric top molecules, the moment of inertia, answer is option number D, I तीनों बराबर नहीं होते. एक्स वाई और जेड एक्सेस तीनों का मूवमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अनइक्वल होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, वाई इक्वल्स टू 0.2689 into 10 to the power minus 46 किलोग्राम स्क्वायर and reduced mass is 1.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram, then internuclear distances, यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लगेगा r equals to under root of I upon nu, that is reduced mass. तो इसका आंसर निकलता है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 129 picometer. Question number 31. In case of NH bending vibrations of primary amines, the IR region is, answer is option number A 1650 से 1580 centimeter inverse. Question number 32. The Hooke's law relates the restoring force F to the displacement Q as, answer is option number B F equals to minus KQ. Question number 33. In diatomic molecules, the vibrational stretching frequency depends on, answer is option number C both A and B. Question number 34. The unit of force constant is, answer is option number C Newton per meter. Question number 35. Without a center of symmetry are the vibrations active in, answer is option number C Raman and IR, that is infrared. Question number 36. The absorption band of carbonyl group in the infrared spectra of CH3CHO, that is ethyl aldehyde. Answer is option number A. It is nearly equal to 1700 centimeter inverse. Question number 37. The absorption of the CN group in the IR spectra of C6H5NH2 is aniline. क्या होता है? Answer is option number B 1200 से 1150 centimeter inverse. Question number 38. Total number of vibrations in allyl bromide are, answer is option number B 21. Question number 39. What is the expression for calculating the frequency of vibration of a diatomic molecule? Answer is option number D nu equals to 1 by 2 pi square multiplied by k by nu, that is reduced mass. Question number 40. The ring strain in lactone, that is cyclic ester, or a lactam, that is cyclic amide. Answer is option number A increases carbonyl stretching frequency. Question number 41. Which electronic state is to be expected of lowest energy in D square case? Answer is option number C L equals to 3. Question number 42. Calculation of the number of microstates using the formula. Answer is option number B. NR equals to R. Question number 43. The designation 2p square tells us nothing about the, answer is option number A energy of the molecules. Question number 44. Transitions are possible between, answer is option number A s orbital से p orbital. Question number 45. Who was firstly confirmed space quantization of electrons? Answer is option number B Stern and Garlach. Question number 46. In which coupling scheme the most appropriate to heavy atom is? Answer is option number C JJ coupling. Question number 47. The number of terms 3D, 3p, 3s, 1d, 1p, 1s are reduced to in ground state of carbon atom. Answer is option number A 1d, 3p and 1s. Question number 48. In case of D2, the 45 microstates are distributed over 5 terms into, answer is option number C 2 triplets and 3 singlets. Question number 49. What is the order of energy for D square system? Answer is option number D 3f is less than 3p, then 3g, then 1d, then 1s. 1s की सबसे ज्यादा है. Question number 50. Each different arrangement of electrons in a set of orbitals has a slightly different energy is called, the answer is option number B microstate. Question number 51. The entire label of a term is called, the answer is option number D term symbol. Question number 52. What is the correct order of different type of energies? Answer is option number A. सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, फिर वाइब्रेशनल, फिर रोटेशनल, फिर ट्रांजिशनल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. द रीजन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंसेस, आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए माइक्रोवेव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम व्हिच इज क्वांटाइज्ड एंड गिवन बाय, आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए अंडर रूट ऑफ L L plus 1. Question number 55. The electronic spectra in the visible range span is, answer is option number A 12,500 से 25,000 centimeter inverse. Question number 56. Which of the following transitions are the weak intensities and lie in the visible range? Answer is option number C N से N anti-bonding. Question number 57. What is the correct order of various electronic transitions of increasing energy? Answer is option number A. Question number 58. Which organic compound show the transition due to conjugation? Answer is option number C conjugated dienes. Question number 59. Which of the following is an application of electronic spectroscopy? Answer is option number D all of the mentioned. Question number 60. Which of the following is not an oxochrome group? Answer is option number A O2. Question number 61. The first observation of atomic absorption spectra was made by, answer is option number B Fraunhofer. Question number 62. Potassium absorbs at a definite wavelength. Answer is option number C 766.5 nanometer. Question number 63. AAS atomic absorption spectroscopy is independent of, answer is option number D none. Question number 64. What is the maximum temperature in flame atomizer? Answer is option number D 1560 Kelvin. Question number 65. The most widely used flame in atomic absorption is, answer is option number D air acetylene. Question number 66. In which region of the flame the maximum emission or absorption occurs? Depend on. Answer is option number D. All are correct. Question number 67. What is the function of nebulizer burner system? Is to. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Question number 68. Chemical interferences can be overcome by. Answer is option number D. All. Question number 69. At which pressure should the gases in the sealed tube be maintained in the hollow cathode lamp? Answer is option number A. 1 to 5 torr. Question number 70. Dash is also as absorption flame photometry. Answer is option number A. AAS. Question number 71. In AAS is the generally used radiation source. Answer is option number C. Hollow cathode lamp. Question number 72. The splitting of the spectral lines under the influence of magnetic field is known as. Answer is option number B. Zeeman effect. Question number 73. The chemical vaporization is carried by treatment of element with. Answer is option number A. Sodium borohydrate. Question number 74. Background interferences can be eliminated by. Answer is option number C. Continuum source. Question number 75. What is the function of filler gas in HCl? His answer is to prevent resonant broadening. Question number 76. Self-reversal is mainly associated with. Answer is option number C. High intensity of HCl. Question number 77. Cold vapor method is used for detection of. Answer is option number A. Mercury. Question number 78. The major application of furnaces used as cell is. Answer is option number C. Less sample volume is required. Question number 79. By the addition of dash, ionization interference can be eliminated. Answer is option number C. Cesium salts. Question number 80. In AAS, the most strongly absorbed light is called as. Answer is option number A. Resonance line. Question number 81. Sodium atom emission is enhanced by adding. Answer is option number C. Potassium. Question number 82. The element used as an ionization upper pressure is. Answer is option number C. Rp. Rubidium. Question number 83. Resonance lines are most affected by. Answer is option number D. Self-absorption. Question number 84. The hottest flame in oxygen is produced by. Answer is option number C. Cyanogen. Question number 85. The good oxidants to excite metals in the flame is. Our answer is option number C. Both A and B. Question number 86. The Smith-Hebsey method is based on the principle of. Answer is option number B. Self-absorption. Question number 87. Flame photometry is used to detect. Answer is option number A. Metal. Question number 88. Which detector is not used in flame photometers? Answer is option number D. Chromatogram. Question number 89. If propane and air used in burner, how many degrees Celsius temperature is produced? Answer is option number A. 1200 degrees Celsius. Question number 90. Which is not application of flame photometry in the given below? Answer is option number B. Assay of metformin. Question number 91. Boltzmann equation is. Answer is option number A. And star upon n equals to e की power minus e upon kt. Question number 92. Dash equations are used to determine wavelength of radiation. Answer is option number A. Wavelength equals to Sc upon E2 minus E1. Question number 93. In the flame photometers, the measurement of dash is used for qualitative analysis. Answer is option number A. Color. Question number 94. Laminar flow burner is used in flame photometer is also known as. Answer is option number B. Premix burner. Question number 95. Which of the following is the advantage of prism monochromators? Answer is option number D. Dispersion occurs in a linear manner. Question number 96. Band spectra where intensity is dependent on combustion conditions appear due to. Answer is option number D. All. Question number 97. Which of the following is not an application of flame photometers? Answer is option number C. Analysis of complex mixtures. Question number 98. Flame photometry is generally used for detection of. Answer is option number D. Alkali and alkaline earth metal. Question number 99. Flame photometry is mainly used in hospitals to measure the levels of dash in human body fluids and tissues. Answer is option number A. Sodium and potassium ions. Question number 100. In flame photometry, sample is sprayed as. Answer is option number B. Flame. तो ये था आपका केमिस्ट्री का पेपर ग्रुप थ्योरी एंड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी। आई होप इस वीडियो के सॉल्यूशंस आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में और आपके एग्जाम में आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। मेक श्योर कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर डाउट है तो उसे आप मेंशन करें कमेंट सेक्शन में और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।